Alright, hey guys, how's it going again? This is Cody again. Just did another little upgrade to the Tiburon. What we ended up doing was upgrading the piping to 2.5-inch piping, and then getting rid of the exhaust, the muffler that was underneath it. So now it's completely straight piped. Won't be for long. I'm waiting on my N1 exhaust, N1 mufflers to come in. So the tips have changed and the sound will change quite a bit. But this is what it sounds like so far. As soon as I get the mufflers put on, I'll make another video and you guys will see what it sounds like straight piped on a 2008 Tiburon GS. Here it is. Alright, any comments, please let me know. If you think it sounds good, let me know. If you don't like it, definitely let me know. Alright, thanks guys, bye.